Python? Isn't it a scripting language? People often asks this about Python. It's popular for automation purposes, because it's fast to learn, and easy to read and write. And it's interpreted at runtime. But Python is more than that. It's object-oriented like Java, functional and strongly typed, like C, and dynamically typed, like Lisp and Ruby. It has extensive libraries and tools for web development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, scientific and numeric applications, and so on. And there's an open source community and ecosystem which is 30 years mature. That's why it's the most popular language now. Who all use Python? Many of the popular internet services use Python in backend. Here are the names of some of them. Why should we learn it? In short, these are some of the popular reasons to learn Python. Is any of these relevant to your education or career objectives? Then, welcome to the Python universe.